The goal with this activity is to really improve your upper body strength. It'll help also increase any internal rotation deficits and trunk rotation. Plus you're gonna get major huge pecs with this one. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna want a band that's fairly thick set up in the rack, and you're gonna do a one-arm push-up. And so to get set up and get the assistance from the band, you're either gonna go at chest or somewhere on the stomach level, like so. I would set up with a two-hand to start. So for that, I'm gonna look maybe a few feet ahead. Exhale, reach up on the toes. Then from here, you're gonna bring one hand to center. Other arm's gonna kind of go in front, trying to keep the torso as centered over the rest of the body as you can, meaning you're not sagging. So you're gonna exhale, really feel the abs work. Hold on to the abs. You're gonna inhale, lower, exhale, come back up. Make sure you're lowering at a 45-degree angle with the arm. Probably want to widen the stance a little bit as well. It's going to look like this. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.